Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-30K, the water pump screw plug for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-30K, the water pump screw plug for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Go File New, Part MMGS. Alright, let's go to right plane, sketch. Going to do a circle. And that's going to be a diameter of 10. I'm going to do a length of 11. So feature extrude 11. I'm going to leave that as is. There we go. Now zoom in. We want to go to hole wizard thread. It's going to be 10. 1 by 1.25. Actually, I'll cancel that. We want to go plane first. Plane. That face is going to be 10 millimeters off. And same with that one. Plane. Oh, hold on. Cancel you. There we go. Beautiful. And done. Alright, now we go hole wizard thread. Let's change this back to 10. Where are we? 10. Whoop. There it is. No, that's 12. 10 by 125. Then we want the circle. That's gonna be that one. Yep. Face one's gonna be that one, and face two when condition that one there, and that's gonna be. So it's got files. Nope, I got it. Perfect. There we go. Right, so let's hide that face. Hide that face. We want either end, doesn't matter which end. We want to go to, let's go normal to sketch. And that's going to be hexagonal. Oh, polygon, sorry. And that's going to be 14, smart dimension, 14, and that's going to be extrude out. Oh, what's undefined? Oh, go back to sketch, something's not right, it's undefined. Ah, that rotates, okay. That's fine, we shall do that line. And where are we? Nope. Top. That line will be horizontal. There you go. Or vertical, horizontal, whichever way you want. There you go. Now it's fully defined. So we want sketch, and that's going to be 4, but we want that the other way. Yes, I'm going back into it because it's 7 mil from here to there, there's 4 mils there. That way the thread goes up to the, butts up right against there. So we go okay. There you go. See, the thread goes in but doesn't dig in. Beautiful. That's that piece done. Let me put that actually. There we go. Beautiful. About there somewhere. All right, that's part 6-30K, the water pump screw plug. This is the last part for the water pump. We're going to be going on the next section, next parts next. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.